Hi, I'm Dr. V. I'm Chief of the Spine Pain Program at Bloor Pain Specialists, and today I'm going to be talking about MRI. Emergency signs from clumping of the nerve roots are related to cauda equina syndrome, which we've covered in a previous video. But generally speaking, these are symptoms related to neurological function in the legs. So we're not necessarily concerned in an emergency sense about feeling in the legs as much as we are function. So if you suddenly can't move a leg in a way that you were able to before, can't raise your hip, can't bend your knee properly, can't straighten it, can't move your ankle in a way that you want to, you're tripping on your ankle and can't control its position as well as you want. When you go to the bathroom, odd sensations in the pelvis, either loss of control of your bladder or bowels. You want to pee, but you can't, or you don't want to pee, but you are leaking. Those are concerns. Same with your bowel movements. If you have odd sensations, like there's a mass in the pelvis, you feel like there's a grapefruit in there, but there isn't. Those are concerns that maybe the nerves that feel the pelvis are getting crushed and feel like there's a mass there. Or if you go to the bathroom and you wipe with toilet paper and you just don't feel the toilet paper. You're not really sure whether you really made contact with yourself. That's odd. That's not a usual experience. And those are things that should be treated as emergencies. People should go to the emergency room. They should be imaged. They should be treated to make sure that their spine remains safe. Thanks for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe below. If you have any questions that you'd like us to address in a future video, please leave them in the comments area. If you want us to answer any questions about your care specifically, please contact the clinic directly.